Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how we can download Monopoly on Android. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store. Next you will see search option. You have to click on that and type Monopoly Go. Next, you'll see this install option. You have to click on that, and depending on your internet speed, it might take few seconds to few minutes. Now the app is downloaded and you can see it in your home screen. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.